I'm sorry because of my load shedding. I oh man, streaming has just stopped. Okay, so I can't guarantee you that there won't be another. Load shedding, but yeah, I'm sorry for that. Okay, hitting our targets the downside. Okay, without any setup, but yeah, there is no setup. Assalamu alaikum wa alaikum assalam. Good afternoon, Tamimi. This is okay, sir. Yeah, I'm extremely sorry because of this, and I'm not sure that I can continue for the AM session or not because it's windy outside and load shedding. I have no chance actually. But I'm actually right now what I'm looking for. I'm just looking for to price reach here, then buy setup. Okay, until reaching here, I'm not waiting. I'm not looking for any kind of buy. Actually, let me check. Came here. Okay, let me check it. Okay, yeah. So before reaching here, I'm not looking for any kind of buy. But if price can reach here, then I will look for buy. Until then, I'm not looking for buy. Yeah, I will look for buy if market can go above that fair value gap. If it can go above that fair value gap, then I will look for buy. Otherwise, I'm not looking for buy right now. Around 9:30, and you can see this 9:30 market went lower, it went higher, then it broke lower without any setup. Market structure shift, fair value gap entry. I'm not agree with that. Okay, I'm not agree with that. There was a load shedding, guys. I'm extremely sorry. Thank you, team, for welcoming me. But yeah, because of the load shedding, the streaming closed, and I'm trying one more time, but I'm not sure that I'll be here for long because it's raining, little raining and windy. Okay, outside, so load shedding can happen again. Let's see what is going to happen next. Remember, at 10 we have the news. Okay, so until 10, no entry should be done. If market would take that buy side liquidity and if it would trade that fair value gap, after that if it could give us a lower market structure shift, then I would look for a sell until that fair value gap. As it didn't do that, instead of that, what do you think? This is clean support, sorry, resistance. Okay, clean resistance. That means all the supporters are stopped out, all the buyers got stopped out. Now the sellers will be stopped out, then market can go toward that fair value gap. After that it can go higher. Anything can happen right now. As we have a news around 10, we will wait. Don't try to participate in this small price action. Don't do that, okay? Please, that's a request. This is the part where you will learn it. Okay, I'd love to go to hourly chart and I will see if it reached. No, it didn't reach to the last fair value gap as well. Didn't reach over here. I'm gonna keep this fair value gap to my chart, the hourly fair value gap. Okay, so this is the hourly fair value gap. I would love to see how this fair value gap work. So remember the color. This is the color of the hourly fair value gap. Still it's not broken. It's not broken. Price went lower, the wick went lower, bodies are inside this fair value gap. Still it's inside this fair value gap. So yeah, still I'm not I'm kind of in decision mode right now. Okay, why I'm just getting hourly chart and 15-minute fair value gap? Why I need both of them? The reason is here. This is the reason. This is not clean price action. Why it's not clean price action? Try to understand. Look the wick over here. Just look at the wicks. So can you see this? Is it clean? Compare that price action with this run. See this run over here from 15-minute chart. Just compare this run or that run. Look at this run. Maybe look at this run. This is also not good. Like, this is not clean. This is not clean. Simple. This is not clean. See the wick? It's not clean. What is clean? Look, this is clean. And this is clean. See? Very clean from 15-minute chart. This is not clean. Here, this is not clean. This is not clean. Same like here. Look at the wicks. Not clean. So yeah, market went lower from hourly chart. Just look at the candle. Just look at the candle. What happened? Hourly fair value gap, the entry fair value gap is holding the price. See, it's just holding the price. If it keeps holding it, I'll be bullish again. Until that buy side liquidity, I'll be bullish again. Okay. Good morning, brother. Hey, Big Uzi, how are you, brother? Like is free, guys. I tried. Okay. Reaction from daily order block, brother. I know there is the daily order block. I would love to stay here because I have done the daily things yesterday. Over here, if you go to daily chart, I explained everything over here yesterday. Here, what it can happen, every single thing I explained yesterday. Okay, so I don't need to stay here. I know I have lot of resistance. Price can reach any of that level before going higher. Today, market will stay around that area. That's my expectation. It will stay around that area. Tomorrow it will go lower, then Wednesday it will go little above, not the expansion we are going to get in Wednesday. The real expansion we are going to get in Thursday, because Wednesday we don't have the news. Okay, yeah, right now every single time market is going lower, I'm seeing this as a liquidity taken. So market went lower, it has taken the liquidity. Now you can say, brother, you always tell us that market can reverse from a random area. So why it is reversing from a random area? Or maybe it has traded that fair value gap. Oh, no, no, it didn't trade. Then why it is reversing? Because now 15-minute chart is not clear over here. The 15-minute chart is not clear. You have to go to your hourly chart. From your hourly chart, you have to find out either the entry fair value gap or the last fair value gap. Did it trade any of this fair value gap? Obviously, it has traded that hourly fair value gap. Look at the week. See the week? How beautifully it went lower. Now it come here. Yeah, that's why you didn't identify on your chart 50-minute fair value gap on level 18414, 18403, 18414, 18403. Let me check. 18414, I think. 4 on 4. Where is it? 184 on 4. So I think you are talking about this fair value gap. This one. This fair value gap. Remember, from 15-minute chart, this fair value gap, and from hourly chart, this fair value gap, both of them are same. That means a gap without any value. Okay, so from 15-minute chart, I have the last fair value gap, I have the entry fair value gap. This gap has no value. I don't need that gap. I can get some reaction from there, but as I am bullish, I don't need the reaction. I need the reversal. So when I am bullish and I need the reversal, I don't need to mark the gap. Okay, I don't need to mark that gap where I'm just looking for reversal. 939. What is that? 18393. 18393. Yeah, whatever. I think you are talking about this gap. So I explained that why I didn't mark that one. Here I have this entry fair value gap. I have this last fair value gap. If price really would love to go lower to trade that hourly fair value gap, okay, here this hourly fair value gap from last fair value gap. If price really would love to trade the hourly last fair value gap, then any of this level will be triggered. Either this entry fair value gap or this last fair value gap from 15-minute chart will be triggered. But as the entry fair value gap from hourly chart is holding the price, just look at the week. Body didn't close below that hourly fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap from the hourly chart. It didn't even reach to that last fair value gap. Let's just see over here. It didn't reach to that last fair value gap. Nothing wrong with that. Still, I'm looking for buy here as well. I mean, I'm just looking for buy now. What I need right now, market has to take some liquidity, give me very nice market. I mean, it will spend some times here, it will make the relatively equal lows or something, then it will take that. After that, give me the market structure shift. I will go for buy until the last parabolic gap around that area. Okay, until that area I'll be bullish. This is that resistance parabolic gap from 15 minutes set. I'm gonna remove it from my chart as the hourly parabolic gap is holding the price. That resistance or bearish parabolic gap, I don't need that anymore because that reaction I have already got. The reaction I got already. Market went lower and it went, now it is at that area. This is the Judas swing in my opinion. I would love to mark, I forgot to mark this one. See, nobody reminded me that. Okay, I need to see actually where it came exactly. Okay, just need to see because it's almost 10. I don't, okay, I don't need this one because it's almost 10. So yeah, I don't need that one. I can just stay with hourly parabolic gap and here. So around 9:30, was there any setup for us? Around 9:30, was there any setup for us? No, there was no setup. Brother, this is market structure sheet. Absolutely, this is market structure sheet. Can I take that sell? Look for three candle. One, two, three. Within three candle, did it trade that parabolic gap? No. Do you have any opportunity to take buy? No. Here, actually, I do this type of things. Not today. I'm gonna do that. This is a perfect breaker. This is a perfect breaker. I'm not going to do that today, but if it was not a bullish day, I would do that. Here, I'll just give little more space until here, and the target will be, why will be there? I'll just put it randomly there, okay? Or low, high, lower, low, high, sorry, low, high, lower, low. So this should be the, it should be the uh, normal until -2, 5. Yeah, can go until that. I'm not going to take that on, but yeah, absolutely the perfect breaker over here. I'm not gonna take this entry today because this is uh Monday. Okay, this is Monday, so I'm not interested. Yeah, I remember. I mean, I forgot that opening gap, but as we are very near to 10 a.m., I'm not interested to mark that opening gap for now because after 10 we have to close the opening gap. So I don't think so. It's good to it's good to put that opening gap over here. I'm just gonna cover this one. Let's see. 10 is news. I know. That's why I didn't push my button, brother. I didn't push my button. I just would love to see this breaker can hold it or not. I believe that, gun to my head, this breaker block should hold the price. My favorite model. I can give my life for this entry, something like that, which is 99% of the time, which is absolutely accurate. But as today is Monday and we are just before the news volatility can go little lower. I'm not interested to take that entry for today, okay, because of the news. Thanks for your job. You were best teacher. Okay, I don't know about that, about teacher, because you know, in my life I never teach anything. In my life, I never teach anything. Only risk to reward. 1:2.5. Not bad. Did I miss anyone's comment? If I missed anyone's comment, just remind me. Okay. And I'm going to remove this hourly parabolic gap because you know there is the hourly parabolic gap which is not broken. Go to your hourly chart and look over here. This is that hourly parabolic gap over here which is not broken. The wick just went lower. It is not broken, but I'm gonna remove it because I don't need more lines on my chart. Yeah, I just broke it, closed it. So this is the candle of the news. Let's see if it can expand higher or not. At the same time, guys, please don't forget to give me a simple like. Simple like doesn't cost anything, okay? It's free to give me the likes. And I'm sorry because of my delay, I will push my button. Let's stop. I'll just take one contract. I will take this risk. If I take a stop, I mean, if I get a stopped out, it's okay. But this entry is kind of very comfortable entry for me. So I would love to go with this. Let's see if it works or not. When market don't, I just learned from you how to short fair value deals. Like you last entry first. ICT never talked about this. Yeah, ICT didn't talk about this, but I how can I say it? This is not my concept, okay? So I am not claiming that all of these things is mine. Yeah, I learned it from ICT, but ICT didn't directly talk about this. So yeah, I saw that a lot of people are now making the fair value gaps concept. How can you find out which fair value gap is going to be traded? They are going to define it by the third candle. But in my opinion, it's not important if you know which one is going to trade. In my opinion, it's not that much important. Yeah, this is how I actually get the confirmation that it can work like that way or it won't work like that way. Okay, so I'm gonna remove this from my chart, and I would, as I took that entry, I will hold it. So it has traded that breaker block mean threshold. Let's see if it can expand higher now. As I have already shown you the disclaimer, so I believe that I don't need to say you that if you take a loss, it will be your responsibility. I'm not gonna take the responsibility for that. My mind is telling me to add one more here, but I'm not gonna do that. The reason is today is Monday, and Monday is really little difficult to trade. I don't want to put more money into the risk or into the table. I would love to go with one contract only. Okay, so yeah, that's all. If market can go above that high and if it can close above that high, I will expect some kind of expansion. Okay, if it can go above that high and if it can close above that high, then I would love to see some kind of expansion. Why about that high? What do you have here? Relatively equal highs. You have this plain relatively equal highs, so market should go above and take the buy side liquidity. This can't be the, I mean, whoever took sell here, that was the strong support resistance zone. So seller, every seller got stopped out. Market should not give them one more chance to take the sell. They should not, market should not give it to them. So in my opinion, it should expand higher. Hey, stoic trader, how are you, brother? When market don't want to give you an entry breaker block, be like it's time to drive my way. Yeah, man. Like I don't know what to say. I mean, yeah, let's see if it works or not. We will see. But to be honest, here the best option is you will wait to take some liquidity, then market structure shift because this is the hourly fair value gap. You can frame your trade from here until this buy side liquidity, but you don't need to hold your trade until here. You can close it anywhere you want. Okay, very near to the market, you can close it anywhere you want. So what market has done, market has taken this relatively equal lows. You can see this low and that low, they are relatively equal lows. I'm gonna change the color. So it has taken the sell side liquidity. Now it should go for the buy side liquidity. Let's see if it can go for that or not. We'll have to go to 15-minute chart. Okay, So from 15-minute chart, yeah, everything's fine. Should not go lower. It's just made relatively equal highs. It should expand higher. That's my expectation. Uh, but the thing is, if the load shedding happened right now, then that's gonna be disaster for me. Okay, if the load shedding happens right now, that's gonna be disaster for me. Oh, it's empty at low. Okay, what did you say? Now, guys, don't make me confused because you know what is it? I don't know what you are talking about, but yeah, let's let it go. Okay, I'll just stay with my chart, and yeah, I will see if it works or not. I will just see if market can close above that high. I'm gonna put my stop loss below that low. Even if I get stopped out, I'll be happy. Romy, I don't know, sister, you were here or not. Yesterday you asked me when I marked the consecutive order block and when I marked the lowest order block. And I explained that depend on this candle, where this candle closed, above that high or above that high. I can see this candle closed above that high. So this is my order block, okay? Not the consecutive order block. I'm gonna mark here. Any of this level is the order block. So I'm as market has traded the opening, so I'm gonna mark that as my order block. So this is my order block. I would love to mark the mean threshold of the order block. Okay, so over here, here, this is the mean threshold. I am gonna mark it as my mean threshold. I don't want to see body close below that mean threshold. That's all I don't want to see. So over here. So that's my order block. That's my mean threshold. Market should not close below that mean threshold. All I want to see, body will close above that high. If it is happening, it's good. Okay, it's good. If it is happening, then that's good. Bro, I'm a bit confused why you removed the fair value gap 15 minutes 7. We didn't close it yet. You mean if we rejected of random fair value gap, it done her job without to price close it because it whatever. I have no idea which fair value gap you are talking about. I don't know which fair value gap you are talking about. Can you tell me 15 fair value 7? Okay, let me finish this first, then I will go with you. Okay. Now I'm gonna put my stop loss over here. I have a very bad habit of trailing my stop loss, but yeah, I'm gonna do that. Okay, even if it stop me out, I'll put it over there. All I want to see, market will close above that line. The very next candle won't close below that line. This parabolic gap should be broken. This is the last parabolic gap from 1 minute chart that should be broken. If market really would love to go higher now, it should be broken. Okay, that's all I want to see. Now my mind is if my entry was here, okay, just around that breaker block, I would put my stop loss to the break even. But as it is my entry is little late, so yeah, I will take this small loss. Even if market come back and stop me out, I will take that loss. See this parabolic gap that should be unfilled. I don't know it's going to make that parabolic gap or not. If it can make that parabolic gap, that should be unfilled. Over here, here. If it can make this parabolic gap, that should be unfilled. Depending on this parabolic gap, I can put my stop loss to the break even, but it will be premature trailing stop loss. But if I see market close above that parabolic gap, I'm gonna do that. Okay, even if it hits me, I don't care. I'll put my stop loss to the break even if it can close above that parabolic gap, because last parabolic gap reaction can send the price until that order block one more time. Okay, so yeah, all I want to see a body close above that parabolic gap. That's all I want to see. RK16, I will just see your comment, but just let it finish. Okay, you know, I'm little tense. because I already declared that this breaker block should work 99% of the time. Okay, that's why I'm little tensed, because if it doesn't work, man, that's gonna be disaster for me. Okay, at the same time, guys, if you don't give me the likes, don't forget to give me the likes, please. That's my request to all of you. Market has to close above that fair value gap. That's all I want to say. Nice trade, sir. Around 5,000 level I took my profit. Oh man, you are lucky, but still I have to hold it until here, because I don't know why I put it over. Oh, okay, okay. So there was minus 2.5 standard deviation, I guess. That's why maybe I put it over there. Okay. So as it closed above that fair value gap, I'm gonna put my stop loss to the break even. If I get stopped out, I'm sorry. Okay, I have nothing to do. I'll take it. Hit it. Okay, 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 okay. Thank you, 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 brother. Thank you. I love you. I love you. Thank you. Yeah, this is called breaker block, but I'm not suggesting you to take this breaker block entry. Okay, I mean, if you really know the breaker block, then go for it. If you don't know what is breaker block, then please avoid the breaker block entry. That's my request. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I mean 40 handles. Okay, thank you, Instant Look. What is that? Winston Look. Hey brother, got 40 ticks from same trade. Oh, okay, Winston. Congratulations, brother. Ravi Parmar. Hey brother, hey. Meet Patel, boom, thank you. I mean 40 handles. Okay, I got you. Amma, thanks to all. Is that 15-minute travel gap? Where is 15? There is no 15-minute travel gap. This is the last travel gap from 1 minute chart. If you are talking about this one, this is the breaker block. Boom, boom. Thank you, Sijo. Mielov, thank you, brother, for writing boom. I really love that boom word. HMH 225 watching and just 30 likes. Yeah, I'm kind of underrated. So people doesn't want to give me the likes. It's okay. Today or tomorrow they will give me the likes. I believe that. I'm gonna remove it, and yeah, let's see. Overall, this is my target. Okay, this buy side liquidity is my target. I don't need to hold it until there. Okay, I don't need it. But yeah, still I will see this last paragraph from 15-minute chart. I would love to see some kind of reaction from there. Okay, reaction, not reversal. If it went through that, that means market is extremely bullish and it wants to take that buy side liquidity. I want to get some kind of reaction from the RK16. If you are still here, brother, please tell me what did you ask. Okay, I will explain that now. I hope you will understand. Over there, I already declined that should work. This breaker block should work. So I when I decline something, if it doesn't work, kind of pressure. So yeah, that's all. Okay. Thanks to all for writing down that boom. I really love that boom word, and make a boom over here as well. Okay, make it 4600 at least. I mean, yeah, just make it 460. If you do that, I'll be happy. This one 4600. Make it 4600. So I need 6 more people to make it 4600. Okay. RK16, you can just ask me the question, your question again, okay? 15 minutes, 7 parallel gap. Let me check it. My internet is little slow because of the rain. 7 a.m. 7 a.m. parallel gap. So here maybe. This parallel gap, that is a resistance parallel gap. Okay, I told that. I mean, I marked that. Okay, let me make it more clear. No, do you need the explanation of this? Do you need the explanation of this? Okay, if you don't need, I'm gonna remove them. Okay, if you need the explanation, I will explain it. But RK16, this is your answer. I marked that 15-minute bearish fair value gap. I told that it can use that fair value gap to send price until that entry fair value gap. Okay, I told that then I told I don't need that anymore, because the hourly fair value gap is holding the hourly entry fair value gap here. That is hourly entry fair value gap, that is holding the price. So I don't need that bear fair value gap anymore, because I'm bullish. I don't need that anymore. The this parallel gap is holding the price. If it was not holding the price, then I will keep that 15-minute parallel gap until price reach here. So 15-minute entry parallel gap or the last parallel gap over here. Until here, I would kept that 15-minute bearish parallel gap. When market has already the hourly parallel gap was actually holding the price, I don't need that bearish turn like this parallel gap. See, I just marked it last parallel gap. I don't need it to mark. But yeah, if market can reach over there, market can give me some reaction. Okay, that's why I kept it. But to be honest, this parallel gap has nothing to do with the price action. It is going to be broken here or there, but it's going, I mean, now or then it's going to be broken. Okay, it's windy weather again. I don't know how long I will be here, because anytime the load shedding can happen. Okay, anytime the load shedding can happen. Let me try to explain this entry if I can. Okay, if I can. So from the retail perspective, what is this? This is all the resistance. I mean, you know what is resistance, right? This is the resistance zone. What price has done before clearing the sellers? It went lower. Why market did that? Around 9:30. Where is 9:30? Here. Around 9:30, market went lower. Okay. So first retail trader start to think market is falling. Then it went higher, tapped to this area. This is the very nice resistance zone. This lot of people took their sell here. Market went lower, retrace again, started to low. See this candle, that candle, that candle, that candle, every single candle. The retail trader keep taking sell because market is going lower. Where is it is going? You know, the lowest low, market is going toward there. So they are taking sell. Now I would love to see market will come here if the hourly fair value gap was broken. Why hourly fair value gap? Again, the 50-minute leg is not clean. That's why I depend on hourly fair value gap. I was thinking that price will reach until that fair value gap. Doesn't matter. It went higher. When it went higher, I just observed the hourly fair value gap. Is the hourly fair value gap broken or it is holding the price? What do I mean by that? Let me come here. This is the hourly entry fair value gap. Here. This is the last fair value gap from hourly chart above this sell side liquidity. Last fair value gap, entry fair value gap, entry fair value gap. This is just a week body closed above that hourly fair value gap. Okay, I'm gonna go again on mid chart over here. This is that hourly fair value gap where the price closed around here. When market came here, what it has done? Make this relatively equal highs. This high and that high relatively equal highs. What does it mean? That means the guys who actually sold there, they are adding more here. They are adding more here. Nobody trailed their stop loss below. Nobody. Why? Because there is no swing high there. They could put their stop loss. Nobody. So they are going to add more here. Market went lower. Whoever take their sell here, they are going to add more here because this is a very strong resistance zone. Market is going lower. What did I see? Low, high, lower low. The highest up close body close candle is my breaker block. This low has taken all of this area. I mean, this sell liquidity is taken. If you come to 1 minute chart, I believe that any kind of this type of want to see unfilled area is filled by that run. I believe that. Okay, it's kind of experience. I don't need to go to 1 minute chart. The reason is when I'm seeing this 15-minute chart, when I'm seeing this 15-minute chart, I know there was a setup because of this bear candle. There was a setup and there was the area which should be unfilled. That type of area was there, which has been filled by that run. I'm coming here again. If market can go lower, if it can fill that unfilled area one more time, I will look for the breaker again. This is the place where the breaker happened. Here, this was the logic. That was the breaker. That's why I told you confidently that market is going to reverse from that breaker. So mean threshold, I just covered the mohawk. I mean, sometimes price go little lower of that breaker block, then it go above again. Okay, it's called mohawk. I don't know why it is. That was the mohawk. At the same time, what did I see? This low and that low. they were relatively equal lows. No, I was thinking about my macro. First, market has to take some liquidity, then it has to give me the market structure shift. So something like that. This is the market structure shift. Now from the macro entry, there was no entry, but depending on that breaker block, I took that entry. The lowest body close candle is my order block. That means when this candle closed, from rejecting from the breaker block, it closed above the lowest down close candle, not this one. It closed above the lowest down close candle. So this opening or the high, any of this level is the order block. Market came here, all I need to see the min threshold. Body closed below this min threshold or not. If it closed below the min threshold, low probability, just low probability. This is just for the high probability, okay, this order block or anything. Market went higher. When it came here, I told that it should be unfilled because market first make the setup. Market has taken the liquidity, market structure shift, fair value gap. Market trap to that fair value gap, went higher. This is the order block, trade that order block, went higher. The sequence should keep this area open. If it is filled, then what? If it is fully filled, then market will show you more resistance. When it is not filled, that means market is in hurry. It should go faster. Where? Toward that buy side liquidity. It doesn't have any time. It has to go over there. I don't care about what is going to happen. I don't have time to fill that area. I'm just going over there. That's why I told I want to see this unfilled. If it is unfilled, and if I took two contracts, for example, I just took two contracts. In that type of situation, I took one, I mean partial, maybe around that area, anywhere. I would hold my the rest until that high. See this high? I would hold until or above those highs. But as I took one contract, so I have to close it over there. So that was the explanation of that entry. And again, guys, I'm extremely sorry if I just you see that it's lagging, then you will understand that load shedding happened. Okay. So yeah, I'm gonna remove everything over here because I don't need anyone anymore over here. Now, if you would love to take another buy, how you will identify that buy? I'm showing it now. Okay. Can you see this leg? Here is the 15-minute fair value gap. It's not created yet, but if it can make a fair value gap around that area, how do you see this price action? Market went lower, take the liquidity, very nice market structure shift. Here, very nice market structure shift. This is the fair value gap. If it can make that as a fair value gap, I don't know it's going to make it or not. I don't know, okay? But if it can make that fair value gap, price come back again to that fair value gap. Then you will go to your 1 minute chart. You will look for another buy. If market fail to reach here, no buy setup is valid. No buy setup is valid. If market fail to reach here to that 50-minute fair value gap, again no buy setup is valid. It has to reach here. Market structure shift, very immediate reaction. This is your buy side liquidity. Go for that. Before the buy side liquidity, go to your 1 minute chart and find out if there is any 1 minute liquidity or not. You can see all of these highs, they're all the relatively equal highs. I am not sure market is going to take that buy side liquidity or not. It has to take that buy side liquidity. It has to take it. Below this extreme buy side liquidity, look for the last fair value gap. Here is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Go to your 50-minute chart and look for another. Okay, let me check it. My internet is little slow, so yeah, I'm sorry for that actually. So let me come here. Okay, below this sell side liquidity, I have this 50-minute last fair value gap. Mark it right now. Just mark that fair value gap. This is your job, to mark that 15-minute last fair value gap. Market can come here, it can reverse from there. It just can reverse from there. It doesn't need to take that buy side liquidity. It can reverse from there. A small reaction can happen from that last fair value gap. Then later market will go and take that buy side. It can happen as well. Okay. Now I would love to show you some randomness. Okay. See the random reaction from the random place. Harman, are you there, brother? This is for you. See this random reaction from a random level. Remember what do we have over there? What is that? From 15 minutes, sir. What is that? I told that I can have some reaction from there. But brother, wick went higher. What do you want me to chat and see how it traded around that area? Just look at that over here. How it traded that area. Just look at this. Yeah, one body closed. The very next candle closed inside that gap one more time. Go to your what to say? I mean, 1 minute last parabolic gap over here. Mark that 1 minute last parabolic gap. You will get more precision by 1 minute last parabolic gap. Sorry, last parabolic gap, anti parabolic gap. I'm trying to teach you that. I'm trying to teach you when you are looking for buy, you will expect the reaction from the last parabolic gap. When you are looking for sell, you will expect the rejection, reversal from the last parabolic gap. That's all, brother. Simple. Very good job, Chitu. Thank you, Buro. Do you have gun at your head? I learned that from ICT. ICT sometimes told, gun to my head, I'm bullish. So I actually learned it from him. See to you, the boss. I'm a learner like you, brother. Okay, I'm just learning this thing. I know nothing about the price action. Trust me, man. You guys know better than me. I'm not telling you this for I don't know what is the English word, but trust me. I am not telling it in a joke. I'm over serious. You all of you know better than me, thousand times better than me. What I have done, I try to read the story. You don't read the story. You just look for the market structure shape, parabolic gap, and liquidity. That's the difference. I try to read the story. What is going to happen here? What is reading price action? What retail trader are thinking? Trust me, there is no other liquidity except relatively equal support or resistance. There is no other liquidity. Not daily high, not session high, nothing at all. Just trust me one time. Follow this for 1 month, you will understand everything. There is only one thing, that is support and resistance, nothing else. Okay, but yeah, obviously all of you are thousand times better than me. That mohawk got me chopped. Lenny, there was no mohawk. There was no mohawk. Okay, I didn't get the mohawk because market reversed from the min threshold of the breaker block. So there was no mohawk. Strict trader, wow. Okay, Gogon, bro, what is entry fair value gap? Now, can somebody answer him? What is entry fair value gap? How many times I should have replied the same thing, brother? Oh man, I'm really tired of that. Sijo, please like and subscribe for our brother. Please do that for me, okay? Please like and subscribe. I mean, just give me the like. There is more than 250 people. Just get 100 likes. Is it fair? Do you think is it fair? At the London session, I outlined this run. I outlined everything, okay? Every single. I read the price in loud. There is the what to say, I mean, the live, I don't delete the live. So you go and see. I outlined this sell before 9:30. I told what I am expecting, and when price was here, I told you that what I am expecting right now. Here, in beforehand, I told what is going to happen from there. I marked that on. I told you what I will look for from here. Everything, step by step, one after another. So shouldn't I deserve some likes, guys, from you guys? Would you consider today's market reversal is from a random level as it didn't hit the 50-minute or hourly fair value gap? Sudhit, what you are talking about? It hit the hourly fair value gap absolutely perfectly. It's not the random level. Absolutely perfect. This is the last fair value gap. This is the entry fair value gap. Look over here. Clean entry fair value gap. Price came to that entry fair value gap. It went higher. This reversal happened from the last fair value gap. This reversal or reaction, whatever it is, it happened from this entry fair value gap. Not a random. Absolutely perfect. Why hourly? Why not 50-minute chart? From the beginning, even after happening this, I am keep saying you, this is not clean price action from 15-minute chart. I have to go to the hourly chart. I have to go over there. Okay. Yeah. Thank you. Okay, what made this breaker block that worked? I explained that already. Okay, sorry. Let just. Okay. Let me mark it clearly. So this is that 50-minute parallel gap. Okay, so price came here to that 50-minute parallel gap. I will be in 1 minute chart now. If I get any kind of market structure shift now, I will go for buy again. If I get any kind of market structure shift, that should be perfect. I will go for buy. Okay, now again, you have to do your own analysis. Don't depend on my analysis. Okay, that's my thinking. It can work, it can't work. I mean, it can be wrong, I don't know. But my thinking is, from this parallel gap, if market can give me any kind of market structure shift that should be clean, I'm gonna go for that. Okay. Leah FF trades entry parallel gap is next parallel gap after the last parallel gap. Absolutely, Shahid Salim. Absolutely, after the next last parallel gap, the next parallel gap is entry parallel gap. Thank you, sister. Brother, yet again, you are a wizard. Wizards don't play with guns. I got the same trade. Congratulations, Isaiah Trades. Congratulations, brother. Daniel, what are your thoughts on inversion parallel gap? Inversion parallel gap is kind of, let me show you. Okay, if it worked or not, I don't know. Let me check. See, this high failed to take that high. The this gap will work as inversion parallel gap. This candle low, that candle high. This gap will work as inversion parallel gap. If it can take the liquidity, it should not work as inversion parallel gap. So that's, in short, that's the inversion parallel gap according to my experience. I just give you the random example. Okay, 18577 relatively equal highs. So it can be, first I need to find out the setup. Okay, then I will go for that. High, low, higher, high. Okay, the -1 standard deviation is broken. It should reach until that -1.5 standard deviation. Okay, let's see. It came to that 50-minute parallel gap in deep, no problem. All I need a very clean market structure shift. So over here, that was the breaker. Here, I didn't want to take the risk, but that was as yummy as I can't stop myself. Okay, I had no plan to take NT today, but yeah, it is what it is. This swing low has closed an area like this unfilled area. Remember, I told that I want to see this unfilled over here. Sorry, I believe that I'm not going here there. Please go over there and check by yourself. After trading the order block, market left a parallel gap open. It kept it open. This run has closed that unfilled area fully filled. I don't need to go over there because of my experience. I can easily tell you that it happened. It happened because there should have an setup over there because of that 15-minute lower candle. It has to have an setup around that area. When this this run, okay, has closed that unfilled area, this breaker block is my absolutely perfect breaker block. For example, if market can close this unfilled area now, I will look for the breaker block again. It has to close that perfectly. Then I will look for the breaker block again. Something like that. Is that swing high valid for shifting market structure? I'm not going with that. I don't believe this is the swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. I don't believe it. Nice trade. Thank you, Glenn Blaine. Thank you. No problem. MMXM. Why did you give me thanks? What is breakout gap? What is breakout gap? Okay, guys. A lot of people are here new, and if you just keep asking me the question, I can't just give you the answer randomly. Okay, you have to stay with me for some days, and I promise you don't need to ask me anything because I'm just keep saying the same thing every single day. I'm just keep saying the same thing. All you have to do is you have to appear here at least 7 days in a row. If you appear here 7 days in a row, you will understand everything. Did I get any market structure shift? No, I didn't get any market structure shift. Am I willing to take any kind of buy? No, I'm not going to take any kind of buy. Okay, I think he meant breakaway gap. Breakaway gap means some kind of gap that should not be filled. Okay, this is called the breakaway gap. Sorry, breakaway. Yeah, the breakaway gap is some kind of gap that should not be filled. In my opinion, the last, it's little confusing, but in general, the last fair value gap is work as a breakaway gap. Okay, so if I had an example, then I could give you that. Okay, just just for random example. Okay, this is your market structure sheet. This is your entry fair value gap, and this will be your breakaway gap over here. Just a random example. Okay, it didn't work. I can see it, but here, this is the breakaway gap. This gap should not be traded. That's the best option. If it trade, body can't close below the consequent encroachment. That's the rules. Okay, we can go little lower. Sometimes it go little lower, no problem. But body can't close below the consequent encroachment. It is called the breakaway gap or the last gap. Okay, brother, are you going to take buy from that fair value gap? It has taken this liquidity over. Okay, guys, if anyone is looking for buy and if it is a very nice setup for you, please go for that. Don't think that I am always right. Okay, I'm always wrong. If you think this is your market structure shift and market has traded that fair value gap, now market is going higher, you want to take your buy from there, you can do that. Okay, I'm not interested because I didn't get any market structure shift yet. I need the market structure shift, then I'll be interested to take buy. Otherwise, I'm not interested to take buy. That's all, brother. Thank you. 250 people. I got 133 likes. It's okay. I can, I can, I can digest that. Okay, I can digest. It's okay. What is this fair value gap? It's the 50-minute fair value gap. Okay. So yeah, I will frame my trade from here. If that was a very nice swing high, I would take that entry. Okay. So until I get the market structure shift, I'm not interested to take buy. I'm not interested to take buy until I get the market structure shift. Maybe some of you will think this is your market structure shift, go for that. For me, it's not market structure shift. I'm selling 10:45 until 1. Go for that, brother. I'm not going to sell. I'm bullish. Actually, I'm bull. Okay, so I'm not going to sell. All I'm expecting is market will spend little more time here, make a very nice setup, then it will go higher. That's my expectation. This is just a reaction from the last parabola from 15-minute chart. That's all. If market can close this parabolic gap, I will look for the breaker block here again one more time. Am I looking for sell? No, I'm not looking for sell. I will look for sell if market can close that. Remember the entry parabolic gap from hourly chart. If it can close that, then I will start to look for sell. Otherwise, no, I'm not looking for sell. Why is not MSS for you? Money, you have to go to my channel. I have already made the video. Go to my study section. There is two video. One is what is market structure shift, that is the title, and another one is how to avoid the losing trade. You have to watch those video, you will understand what is market structure shift. Okay, brother. Yes, it's going higher, bro. Rahmanj, welcome, brother. Yeah, let's see. Tomorrow I'm fully selling, brother. Tomorrow I'm also going to sell, brother. Tomorrow I'm also going to sell, but it depends on today. If it left some relatively equal lows today, I'll be so confident. If I don't see the relatively equal lows, then I will go for the last parallel gap. I mean the 50-minute parallel gap it left today. I will go for that, and then yeah, if market can make a swing high here, okay, swing high here, then this swing high will be valid for shifting market structure. This is going to be valid for shifting market structure. Now, the guy who asked me about the inversion parabolic gap, in my opinion, this is the inversion parabolic gap. If I was bearish, I would take a sell from this parabolic gap. Why? This swing high failed to take that swing high. This is that inversion parabolic gap. So if I was bearish, for example, I was thinking market will come here, then this would be my entry. Here, where would be my stop loss above that high? Maybe until that last parallel gap. Okay, this would be my entry if I was extremely bullish. As I am not bullish, though I'm concerned about that fair value gap. I believe that market will close that fair value gap, or it will at least trade that fair value gap. But still, I'm not gonna take that sell. In my opinion, this is the inversion fair value gap. Okay, I don't remember the name of you guy, of you brother, but that's the inversion fair value gap. Work as a support or for further run. Inversion fair value gap at 15 minutes can work as support for further. Absolutely it can. Absolutely it can, brother, sister. Absolutely it can. Overall, I'm bullish. Okay, to be honest, I'm bullish. I'm not bearish, but it can give me some kind of bear run here because of this last fair value gap from 15 minute chart. I'm going to get some kind of reaction from that 15-minute last fair value gap. This is all just a reaction, nothing else. Okay. A valid market structure shift must be a swing high that trades a fair value gap, or a swing high that has two lower swing highs, on the left, on to the right. Absolutely, brother. That's all in short. Your target 4600 subscriber has been touched, bro. It can't be, man. Really? Oh man, thanks to all to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, okay, for subscribing. But my request is, just don't subscribe and disappear. Don't do that. Come back, man. Come back. Just come back 1 week. Trust me, you will never leave me again. Just 1 week. I'm going to remove this because new people will come and they will think that I took that sell. Okay. I don't want to keep it on my chart. I would love to keep it here so new people can come and they can see, okay, I didn't take the sell and I'm not looking for sell again. I even market can come here. I'm what I told you. If I'm bullish, I will just let it go. Every lower run, I will let it go. I don't need to participate in the lower run. I will see them as my liquidity run. Okay, so yeah, every time market will go lower, I will just sacrifice the lower run. I will wait for the buy run. If I get the buy run, I will take the buy run. If I don't get the buy run, I am not going to take any kind of entry. That's called trading, man. That's called trading. Thank you so much to all of you whoever subscribed to my channel. Okay, thanks to all, and thanks to Hassan to remind me that it hit my target profit 4600. Thank you, man. Peter is watching from sky. Yeah, Peter is in the plane actually, so he's not going to join. The guy who asked me about the inversion fair value gap, I believe that he got his answer. Okay. If I was bearish and I was thinking that market is going lower, then I would try to frame my trade from there, from this inversion trade. That would be my entry. That would be my stop loss. Then the sell or something like that. I mean, sell side, something like that. But here, as I'm looking for buy, can I take that on? I did that on. Go to my Twitter. You will see that. Last Thursday, I did that. Buy, sell 5 times. I take 5 entry. There was one loss, 4 win. Sorry, one loss, one break even, and 3 win. Okay, so yeah, I did it. I can do it, but I don't want you to do it as you are learning. At your beginning, you are not going to take buy, you are not going to take sell in one market. You are not going to do that from one session. You will only look for one setup. Buy, you are looking for buy, you will go for buy. That's all, brother. Okay. Should this parabolic gap work as a first parabolic? No, it's not. It should not work as a first parabolic gap. Actually, let me check. No, no, brother. This high didn't. I mean, look. Let me in the first parabolic gap. See this parabolic gap, entry parabolic gap or last parabolic gap. Okay. So I have that high. That high over here is not taken by that high, but this high has to clear every single high. Not even a single swing high can be untraded. You see this swing high which is not traded yet. So over here, this swing high which has not traded, that means it left that high. That is why this is not your first parabolic gap. You can't go with this as your first parabolic gap. Is it clear, brother? I hope that it's clear. Again, guys, I if you ask me where ICT talked about this, I can't give you the reference, but if you come to me, I will show you the precise precision every single day. Every single day, I will show you the precision. So whatever I told you, it works or not. I can show you every single day. Okay. How did I learn this? I got it from my experience, from my hard work. Okay. So yeah, I hope that you will understand. And again, if you see that I'm gone, you will understand that I already have the load shedding. Okay. Mhm. I didn't watch the weekly breakdown, and I already know what's the plan for the week thanks to the narrative videos. Okay, Thabs. Yeah, that's the power of the narrative. If you know the narrative, you will understand a lot of things. You have no idea what you are going to understand about this. Whole picture will be changed. If you understand the narrative, this whole picture will be changed. Absolutely changed. You will be so much confident. Like over here, when I was in London session, a lot of you told me that why you took the sell. Don't chase the sell. Market is not going to fall. Some first entry I got a sprout. The very second entry, where did it came? Here. So how do I know them? Just because of that narrative. Nothing else, brother. Just because of that narrative. But this narrative works 80% of the time. Okay, there are a lot of narratives actually, weekly narratives. There are a lot of things. I just explained the easiest one, which appeared on the chart for at least 80% of the week. Okay, but not 100%. Trust me. That week's narrative doesn't work 100% of the time. If you continue like this in couple months, you get to 20 to 30k subs. MK. Thank you, brother. I will continue it until some of you earn 200k US dollar. Okay, when you will get, some of you will get 200k US dollar, and I'm done with my teaching. Everything I have in my pocket, I gave you already. I'm done. I'm gonna quit everything. But these videos will be here in my YouTube, but I won't be here anymore. You will never find me again. Not even in YouTube, not even in my Twitter. So yeah, I'm gonna quit my trading. That's all, brother. What I am looking for, I'm just looking for a setup. What type of setup? Market structure shift toward the buy side. That's why I'm waiting. Okay, I have nothing to do except the waiting. If market can give me any kind of market structure shift toward the buy side liquidity after taking the sell side liquidity, okay, after taking the sell side liquidity, if it gives me any kind of market structure shift toward the buy side, I'll be in the market again. That's my expectation right now. That's why I'm waiting. There is nothing I'm waiting. Am I looking for sell? No, I'm not looking for sell. But if market come here, what is going to happen? I don't care. I'll just let it go. Simple, man. I will just let it go. I don't need to catch that inversion parabolic entry. I don't need it. To be honest, man, I don't need it. To be profitable, I don't need it. I just need to be strict with my direction. What is my direction? Buy side. I have already shown you the buy side liquidity. Until that buy side liquidity is not taken, I'm bullish. But brother, if market went lower, so far it never give you the market structure toward the bullish. What you are going to do? I'm just gonna skip today's session or maybe the whole day. I'm not gonna take any more entry. Simple. At your beginning, you have to set your mind like that way. I talk too much. I know that I talk too much, but yeah, this is true, man. This is true. Done for today. I had no intention to take entry today actually, but when I saw this perfect setup, oh man, I couldn't stop myself. Okay, okay. Someone actually follow me to my Twitter. Thank you, brother. Whoever actually followed me to my Twitter, I really appreciate that. Okay. Do you live in South Africa? LA 189-251. No, brother, I don't live in South Africa, but yeah, I have a plan to go over there, to visit over there. I live in Bangladesh. I can't wait to bring you to the USA, brother. I'll be there, brother. Today or tomorrow, I'll be there. But all you have to do is you have to earn 200k US dollar. That's all you have to earn. And trust me, man, it's as easy as drinking water. I'm showing you the way you should look for that. Look, what market has done, it has taken that low. Liquidity has taken. All I need a market structure shift with a displacement very nice parallel gap. If I get that, I will take that entry. If it doesn't work, I will take a small loss. I mean, I will take a legal loss. What do you think? You are never going to take the loss? You have to take the loss. But I will take the loss with a logical entry. That's all, brother. That's all. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely not. Is this swing high valid for shifting market structure? Absolutely right. This swing high, if I get the market structure until now, okay, until now, this swing high is only swing high which is valid for shifting market structure. I talked too much again, guys. I'm extremely sorry for that. But yeah, I can't stop talking about the price action. I can't stop. Okay, T2, have you earned 200k before? It sounds like you did because 200 is a lot, bro. Meet Patel, 200k is not a lot. I mean, even after coming to this live, I don't know how much I earned here. I really don't have idea. Until this trade, my earning to my real account is $49,377. No, sorry, 40, not 49, $48,379. So far I remember. But average, I just think $50,000. When I am doing this whole bullshit in front of all of you guys, where I'm waiting only for the perfect setup, nothing else. I saw a lot of setup, I don't take it. For last 2 weeks, I don't do it. You saw how many times I got stopped out because of my experimental things, which I actually do with my paper money. I had to do it with my real money because I was in my life. Now you guys started to complain that no, brother, you take too much entry, so I stopped to do that experimental entry. So I will wait for the perfect entry. That's all. Even when I'm in front of my laptop, that's my last amount. I'm unable to withdraw my money because I'm in Bangladesh. I have to wait 1 more month to withdraw my money, and trust me, from 2022 April 2022 April, I didn't spend one single dollar earned from this trading. Not even a single dollar. I didn't spend. I decided to give you all what I know about the price action. When I'm done with trading. You will never see me again. Trust me, man. I don't lie to you, man. Yeah, you talk too much, but that good. And the most funny thing, you ask the and answer yourself most of the time. Yeah, that's why I told you don't need to ask me the question. I will do that for yourself. I know what type of question you can ask me. I know that because I have already crossed that area, okay, that learning area. I have already crossed. So I know what type of question you can ask. That's why I asked myself and I answered myself. You will just listen to me and you will just take the mm, take the what to say. I mean, take the notes. Mohit Kumar, please tell brother why you didn't waited for optimal entry after MSS. Because I don't believe in optimal trade entry. That's why. Simple, brother. Optimal trade entry, in my opinion, is a myth. If you want to trade through your optimal trade entry, most of the time you are going to miss the trade. Then 50% of the time you will get stopped out. Sorry, 20% of the time you will get stopped out, and 80% of the time you will get the winning. But yeah, you will miss 80% of the opportunity of a good run. You are going to miss them. So yeah, I don't believe in optimal trade entry. I don't trade depending on optimal trade entry. Okay. Meet Patel. Okay, so I get it now. On a funded account, if we properly apply your knowledge and only use the right trade setups, then we can make good money. Absolutely, Meet Patel. Just think, you got three 150k account. Just three 150k account. You will use the copy trade every single day. You got one trade. Forget about that. In 1 week, you got only three trades. Forget about it. You got one trade only. Just one trade in a week. In a week, you got one trade, and 150k account, two or maximum three contract is nothing. Two or three contract is absolutely nothing. If you get three contract, or just forget about that, just two contract. Two contract, you got averagely 30 handle. So 30 handle means near about $1,200. In yeah, $1,200, yeah, something like that. $1,200. Three account, it's gonna be $4,000, something like that. In 1 week, you are going to earn $4,000. In 1 month, it's gonna be like near about 15 to $20,000, something like that. In 1 month, you are going to earn $20,000. Now count how many months do you need to make 200K. I just give you the lowest probability. 1 week, one setup, just one setup. In 1 week, you are going to take one setup, nothing else. Count how many months do you need to make 200K. Is it really hard? I don't think so, brother. If you tell me I can make as much money as you, I mean, some of you earn maybe in 1 year, I can make that type of money by 1 month or 1 week. But yeah, I'm not, I mean, don't get me rude, but it's true, man. All you need to do is just to read the price action. Lot of setup over here, lot of things over here. All you need to be master one thing only. That's all, brother. So we should wait for structure shift for optimal trade entry. I don't trade depending on optimal trade entry. I don't talk about optimal trade entry, nothing, brother. Optimal trade entry, optimal trade zone, I don't trade depend on them. I mean, PD array, okay? You look for PD array, premium and discount array. In my opinion, most of us don't know what is PD array, and most of us doesn't know how to use the PD array. Okay, most of us doesn't know. So yeah, I also don't know how to use the PD array, so I don't use the premium and discount array. Instead of that, I believe in fair value gap. The way I'm showing you the setup, you will see how beautifully it works. Okay, most of the time it works. Okay, guys, thank you. Now that I've explained it, sounds extremely easy. Absolutely, Meat Patel. All you have to do is you have to believe what you are going to do. If you don't believe it, you are not going to get it. Like for example, if you come here, maybe you will go other streamer, you will try to make all of the information all together, and then you will start to confuse. You are trying to make your trading without losing. Okay, so losing proof trade. It's never going to happen. You have to take the losing trade. You have to. ICT himself took the losing trade. Then the legend Larry Williams, he took the losing trade. Who the hell are you? Who the hell am I? Why I'm thinking that I'm not gonna take the losing trade? I have to take the losing trade. Now, why I should go and I need lot of things. SMT, that, MMXM. Why I do all of these things? Just a simple trade, simple strategy. That's all. Watch my Friday stream and Saturday stream. Saturday stream is most important thing. Watch that on up to bottom. Okay, up to bottom. Watch that stream. You will understand what is actually trading. I showed you which nobody is going to show you. Not even a single person is going to show you. Everyone is going to show you how to take that buy, how to take that sell. Okay. After hindsight, it's really so easy to show that. But in the market, live market, it's really difficult. So I showed you how to trade, what is actually the trading. Okay, I cleared that. Watch that stream, you will understand what is that. Okay, please, that's my request. Watch that stream. I don't need to do that, okay, to talk too much, but still I am talking too much. It's because I don't want to let the waste, I mean, I don't want to let my knowledge waste. Whatever I learned here about this market, I learned it in a hard way. Okay, there was no one, not even a single person who answered my question. That's why I asked the question to myself and I answered the question to myself. Live market is very good to understand from who teaching good. Okay, I watched your live stream and weekly review. Oh, okay, Meet Patel. Then you know what I am talking about. How to trade. I have shown you this 15. Sorry, this over here in Monday. Remember last Monday? I don't know why it's not loading. Yeah, I've shown you the last Monday over here. How to trade that Monday. and Tuesday. I was unable to show you the Wednesday, Thursday. If you go with that, same thing, man. Very same thing. Let's come to that 1 minute chart and go to the 7 a.m. kill zone. Remember what I told about the 7 a.m. kill zone? I don't know what happened. Okay, I really don't know because I was not here. But I am going to go with you with at around 7 a.m. So here, this is 7 a.m. Okay, where here this is 7. This is the candle of 7 a.m. What was my bias? Bearish. Why? Until that fair value gap, I was bearish. Remember around the London session, I told that until price reach here, I'm bearish. Around 7 a.m., what did you get? Around 7 a.m. Did you get the displacement toward your direction? Obviously, you got it. Take your entry over there. After getting the displacement, just take your entry. Just look the run. Here, from here to here. How many handle it is? From here to here. 34 handle. What do you think about that 34 handle around the London session or the 7 a.m. kill zone? Awesome, man, awesome. That's cool, man, that's cool. When things are free, people don't appreciate. Dana, it's okay. You should make stream paid, even it is $2 to $3. I am forbidden for that. I can't believe you will quit trading. You will be like a fish out of water. Ah, man, I was thinking like that way. Why you have too much problem with MMXM people? I'm fucking confused. What's going on? No, I don't have problem, bro. About I don't have any problem with them with the MMXM or anything. I just told I don't know how to trade them. When someone just refer me something about MMXM or optimal trade entry or something like that, I just told I don't believe in that and I don't trade in that. That's all, brother. I don't have any problem. ICT himself trade optimal trade entry. ICT himself told about the MMXM that's the better, that's the best option. I don't care. I don't know how to trade. I don't care. That's all. I am telling that's all. Nothing else, brother. When people talk shit here, get out of here. Why you here honestly? Leave. Okay, Dana. To whom you are talking about? Meet Patel. If I take that displacement trade, where would you place your stop loss? Where is your displacement? Are you talking about this one? This is not even a displacement. I mean, how can you say this is displacement? This is called displacement. This is called displacement. This is not even a displacement. And if you take this as your displacement, where is your first fair value gap? Where is your last fair value gap? This is the last fair value gap. Maybe this is the first fair value gap. Do you believe that market can reach until here within 3 candles? I don't believe it. And this is not even a market structure shift. Okay? Not a nice displacement. So yeah, I'm not going with this one. If I get for example, this was a market structure shift and I got an opportunity to take entry maybe around here, okay. In that type of situation, I would put my stop loss below the breakaway gap. That's all, brother. Below the breakaway gap. But yeah, this is not displacement from 1 minute chart. So it's a displacement, but because of the fair value gap, I'm not going with this. Okay, I'm not going with this thing. I will just let it go. Maybe it's not clear like here. If I got this type of candle over here, I would go for that trade. But here, I didn't get it, so I'm not. Yeah. Can you help me pass the Apex 150, bro? No, I can't, brother. How can I help you, man? MSS coming already happened. Okay, MSS, no, the 7 a.m. Oh, okay, 7 a.m. over here. I will just take this entry. I'll put my stop loss above that high. Just that high. Above that high. That will be my stop loss. Now, here, maybe I will be until here. Then I'm done. Maybe 26 handle. No, I don't need that one. 20 handle, I'm done. With 20 handle, I'm happy. So, kind of this type of entry. This will be my entry, okay? So I will even not hold my trade until this low. Why market is struggling over here? One time, second time. Why market is struggling? What what do I have here? Why market is struggling to break that area? So I want to go higher. Why I am struggling to that between to that red line? What do I have over there? Find it out, brother. What do I have there? VIX. What is that VIX? Brother, can you show the bullish breaker on your chart? Susan. Uh, Here, this is the bullish breaker. There was the bullish breaker. Here, no, I'm not looking for breaker here. I'm not looking for a breaker here. So first time breakout or the fake breakout. If this candle can close above that fair value gap, okay, here I got the confirmation that it's broken. Now time to expand higher. Where? Toward that buy side liquidity. It's time to go for that buy side liquidity. See this run? Very nice run. Perfect run. There's 1 minute fair value gap at 553. Jack T 553. If it is a bearish fair value gap, then I will just get the reaction from there. If it is a bearish fair value gap, okay? Like if you are talking about here, this one or not, I don't know. If I get a bearish fair value gap, that I will expect just a reaction. It has no power to stop the price until this buy side liquidity is taken. If I were trading somewhere, this is kind of entry. This is also an entry, okay? Don't push your button. This is also a entry until there. This entry should be very, I mean, very tight. See this order block? I just covered that order block, nothing else. So how many handle it will be? 11 handle. Nothing, not a bad, but yeah. I mean, the last fair value gap is broken, so market should expand higher now. This is on type of candle, I mean, entry. This is kind of 50-50 chance. If you're wrong, you will take a small loss. If you're right, you are going to get huge profit. This is also kind of that type of entry, okay? 50-minute last fair value gap. Absolutely, that was 50-minute last fair value gap. That's why market was struggling over there to break it. When it is broken, first breakout is the fake breakout. Second breakout is the confirmation of that breakout. It should expand higher now. Even if he helped you passing, how would you do that after? Okay, that's a good question. Yeah, to be honest, how would you do that next? Okay, guys, don't at the meantime, please don't forget to give me the likes. If you are new, you can subscribe to my channel. And yep, let me see how many subscribers. Okay, I got 4619. Thank you for subscribing to all. My target was 600, so I get 19 more people. Thanks to all for subscribing. But just don't subscribe and left here. Don't do that, okay? And I'm gonna remove this line, otherwise some people will just come and take that entry. That's kind of 50-50 entry, or I do this type of entry. I take, not always, but yeah, sometimes I take it. Let me check the 50-minute chart. Yeah, it should work. It should expand higher because there is no fair value gap from 50 minutes. It should expand higher. Let's see if it can expand higher. When it will be very near to that buy side liquidity, I will put this thing again over there. Okay, this thing I will put over there again, because right now if I keep putting that over here, people will start to think, okay, this is a trade entry, so let's take that entry. I don't want that. See this order block? This is that order block. It has the power to stop the price, send it back toward that buy side liquidity. This single down close candle has that type of power. All you need to do is you have to mark the 50% of that order block over here. 50%. If body close below that 50%, then it's not going to hold the trade, and it's going to actually broken it. All I want to see, nobody will close below the mean threshold of that order block. That's all I don't want to see. Let's see if it can work or not. Peter, why you are here, man? You should be in the plane, man. You should be in the plane. Why you are here? Good luck today, bro. I have already done my job. You're late. I've already done my job, brother. Jackie, the one that I told you about is still not broken. Holding so far. Jack T. I don't know what did you say. I mean, there's any other fair lookup over here from 15 meters? Let me check. No, I don't see any other fair lookup. Nothing. Hello again, brother. Just got home from work. Welcome back, Ryan. Peter is here. Yeah, Peter is here. I miss you already. Yeah, you missed me already, man. Let's see if it can hold it or not. So far, means I should hold the price. If it is broken, I'm done. I'm done for. I mean, yeah, it's broken actually. If I would take that entry, I would be stopped out here because it tapped below that low. My stop loss will be just below that low. When it tapped below that low, I will be stopped out. That's for sure. Hello, Peter. How are you doing, bro? Hello, Wolf. May the trading goods be with you all. Gods. Okay, trading gods be with. Okay, Peter, you are the wizard. We know that. Okay, guys. I just need to take a break for 2 to 3 minutes. I'll be back within 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, because I need to drink some water and I will just no. I need to wash my face. It's too hot here, warm weather here, and yeah, let's see if we can see kind of market structure shift now. It's also valid. If I get the market structure shift now, it is also valid for looking for another setup from here. Okay, though it's not depending on the 22 YD model, but still, if we get a displacement above that high, see this high, not this high, above that high, if we get a displacement and a fair value gap, immediate reaction, this buy side liquidity will be my target. Can you check the 1 minute fair value gap at 5553? No, the another time. I'm coming back, okay? Then I will check. Jackie. I'm just coming back, then I will check. Loving you is nothing again. Hit the like button, guys. Please hit the like button, guys. Very important. Is this swing high is valid for shifting or system? Absolutely not. Is this one? Yeah, this is valid. But I wanted to see it. It should be. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Huh, I will better wait more. Just let's see. Below that extreme. If it is a bad decision, I'm gonna take a small loss of 12 handle. Valid actually. I wanted to see that one, but when I got this one as my market structure shift, I would love to believe this should work. Here is the fair value gap. But yeah, market can go lower and clear those liquidity one more time. It can do that. I'm pretty much concerned about that. Let's see how it reacts. But it did not grab liquidity before MSS. Oh, it has taken the liquidity actually. It has cleared the liquidity here. Change the color. Then this low failed to take that low. Here, it failed to take that low. So yeah, let's see if it works or not. I covered these two lines. If it works, perfect. If it doesn't work, maybe I'm gonna take a loss. Okay, okay, I got a loss. Got a loss, and it cleared that one more time. Yeah, that's why I thought that I should wait for this market structure shift. It's okay. All is taken. This mean threshold is still holding the price. Let's see if it can give us the another market structure shift or not. I don't need that one. I will get this high as a market structure. I can push my button if it can close above that high. I could push my button if this low was not taken. When this one is taken over here, I just can't push my button when price will be above that parallel gap. It's kind of suicidal. I don't want to do the suicide things. I will better wait for the market structure shift above that high. If I get it, then I will look for another opportunity to take buy. A small new day opening gap high. I don't believe that anything is going to stop the price to go higher and take that liquidity. I don't believe it. So that's why I don't need the resistance parallel gap. I don't need to mark them. All I want to see market will go higher. That's all I want to see. Get that parallel gap. All I need a market structure shift. Just a market structure shift. Except the market structure shift, everything is fine. Everything is worked perfectly. All I need a market step. If I get it, cool. SMT1, NQ, and yes, that's cool. The new day opening gap from the 20th holding price, or does this new day opening gap not matter anymore? If it is more than 7 days, then it doesn't matter. All I wanted to say is market is going higher, okay, toward that buy side liquidity. So every kind of resistance parallel gap is going to be broken. All you are going to get is a reaction. So if it is reacted from that new day opening gap, it went lower because of that new day opening gap, that's a reaction. So price went lower, stopped me out because of that reaction, but it's going to be broken. At the end of the time, it's going to be broken. All I need just a clean market structure sheet. Over here, that swing high, see this high, it is absolutely, if you want to get the perfect market structure shift, this swing high is valid for shifting market structure. Why I'm talking about this? Reason is when market has traded that area, after it came so far, here is no 50-minute parallel gap, nothing over here. So I need to see this high is broken. Remember what I told you about this high? You have to mark the 50% over here, and you have to mark the 50%, sorry, 50% of that week. It has to broken the 50%. Now here one time it broke the 50%. It's called the fake breakout. That's why I told that if market can close above that high, I have already got my market structure shift. Until then, the market structure shift is not valid, because if you are extremely bullish, this week has to be broken. This is the last parallel gap. Just this is the last parallel gap. That's why. But the confident encroachment is still holding the price. When it is holding the price, I have nothing to do. I will wait. Everything is broken over here. I will wait little more. I will try to find out another opportunity to take buy. Okay. It has made a parallel gap from hourly chart. It is going to make it actually. Use 5 minute parallel gap. No, I don't use it. হ্যাঁ বন্ধু বলো। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা আচ্ছা। I don't use 5 minute parallel gaps. Okay, mama, I will call you. Mhm. I'm thinking that I have to change my bias now. But a situation right now. A situation. All ALTH all time high. Bro, check 1 hour chart. I saw it, brother. All time high today. ALT today? No, not today. All time high is going to be triggered around what to say, I mean, Wednesday or Thursday. Wednesday or Thursday, okay? Even the 50-minute parallel gap is still holding as there is no 50-minute candle close above it. Yeah, I'm also thinking like that way. Market is going to take that sell side liquidity and it's going to tap that parallel gap right now. I'm thinking like that way. No, this 15-minute parallel gap is broken already. Broken already. It's a market maker sell model. Rahul Kumar, it's a market maker sell model. No man, it's not a market maker sell model. Market is going higher. Market is going higher. Yeah, market is going higher, brother. It can fall for that sell side liquidity. I don't want to see that. If it keep falling, I'm not gonna, I mean, take any kind of entry. I will observe the price, but it should go higher. This buy sell liquidity will be triggered. If it take that sell side liquidity first, tap to this last parabolic from 1 minute chart, I'll look for buy again. It has to happen before 12. This 50-minute last parabolic gap is broken already. And even the 1 minute parabolic gap that I told you about many times is still holding. Which on JT? 1 minute which parabolic gap is holding the price? I don't see any 1 minute parabolic gap which is you are telling me that is holding the price. Are you talking about here? It's broken. Then where is your 1 minute last parabolic gap? There is your 1 minute last parabolic gap. Price didn't reach over there from 1 minute chart. There is no other parabolic gap from 1 minute chart. Yeah, nothing. What you were talking about? 553. 553. Let me check. You are talking about this one. 553 maybe. Yeah, this one. It's broken, brother. It's already broken. Yep. Okay, 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 okay. My fault. Sorry. Sorry. Yeah, it is holding. Yeah, Jack, you are absolutely right. The last parabolic gap is holding the price. The 50-minute parabolic gap is also holding the price. You are absolutely right, brother. Yeah, my mistake. Happy Holi from India. Happy Holi, Rahul. Peter Lol Hassan, what did he say? It is Monday shit market model. Still, we are going to break that on. Trust me, man. Still, we are going to break that market. Happy Holi from India. Happy Holi, Rahul. What can I do right now? My mind is telling me to take sell until that sell side liquidity that is against my direction, against my everything. So I have to sacrifice the sell. Yep. Or yeah. This low is not valid for shifting market structure. No, not valid. Let it go. If market wants to fall, let it fall. So can you explain how to I value gap, how to take entry and where I should keep my stop loss? If you ever take the I5 lookup entry, then your stop loss has to be just above the swing high, which has made the I5 lookup, or swing low, which has made the bullish inversion 5 lookup. So you have to put your stop loss over there. But it can close above the 50-minute last 5 lookup. I see, brother. I see it. I see it. I mean, it was broken when I didn't see this last 5 lookup from 1 minute chart. When I saw this last, I mean, Jack T, you were right, because I thought this there is no other 1 minute last 5 lookup except this one. So when market didn't reach here, and see how many times it closed from 1 minute chart, the last parabolic, I mean 2 minute parabolic gap, I got this broken. But yeah, this 1 minute last parabolic gap is actually holding the price. When it is holding the price, it's not broken. I have to go to 15-minute chart and I have to see the price from 15-minute chart. It is holding the price. All I need to see one candle close above that 1 minute parabolic gap one more time. If I see that, I'm done, and I'm extremely bullish until that buy sell liquidity. But over here right now I'm thinking market will fall until that sell sell liquidity. I'm just thinking like that way. But when it is going to happen, I'm not interested to take sell as well. So yeah, I'm not gonna push my button. Even if it takes that sell sell liquidity, tap to that fair value gap, I'm not gonna push my button. While I'm seeing this market is falling, to take that sell sell liquidity. If it falls, then I will look for buy setup again. This buy sell liquidity will be triggered in that type of situation. So something like that. If it happens like that way, see, there will be something like that. Then market structure shift, fair value gap, boom. This will be my interest. If market fall, come here to that fair value gap. It has to reach over there. All I'm not interested to that fall. That fall I'm not gonna participate. So it should come downside. Yeah, it should come downside. Something like that. Tape reading with you, brother. Let's read the tape. লিয়া পৌঁছাই গেছে বাসায়। হুম, হুম। Lot of chop now. Yeah, it's choppy market right now. So waiting, waiting, waiting. Would be my loss. 79, 12. That means 21, 21, 33. So I got 33 and I take a loss of 12 maybe. 33, 12. Yeah. So 33, 12 is equal 21. I have 21 handle still in my hand from this Monday sloppy price action. Let's go. The best decision is to let the price go. Whatever it wants to go do, it let it do. All I have this clean buy sell liquidity which is going to be triggered. Then this buy sell liquidity is going to be triggered. But let market find out the setup first. If it wants to go lower, take that sell sell liquidity and make this setup. That's the best setup in my opinion. That's the best setup. Is this challenge account or funded account? I have done the challenge account in 8th of March. I mean, I just did it randomly. I showed it, right? So yeah, that's the funded my main account, not even the smaller account. I have no brave, I have no courage to take risk my small account into this choppy market. So I took the main account, still in profit. Now this law is valid for shifting market structure, okay? Because this law has a swing low on its right, on its left. So this law is valid for shifting market structure. If market would love to go lower, it can go low by shifting that market. I'm not interested to take sell, so I'm not gonna plan the sell setup. I will wait for this setup. Okay, this is why trading is so boring. I have to wait for this setup. It should have happened. Till PM session, it will be downside, and in PM it will come toward buy side. So there will be both side liquidity for tomorrow. Let's see, brother. It's just choppy, okay? It's not downside. It's not I mean upside. It's just choppiness. Let's see. So what it is going to do is something like this. If it do that, Nasdaq will do this. If dollar index is going to do that, Nasdaq is going to do that. That up move, okay? First down move, then up move. Over here, first down move, then up move. Paper trading the market now, brother. So I can learn. Yeah, obviously go for the paper trade, brother. If you want to go with the paper trade, absolutely perfect. Okay, so here I am going to try my last time. I'm gonna take one more chance. This is the market structure shift. Remove from my chart. If market can come to this parallel gap within 3 candle, I'm gonna try one more time over here. Okay, so that will be like eight more handle. If it okay, it's not going to give me the opportunity to take the entry. I believe that it's going higher without taking me. But if it can come within 3 candles to that fair gap before taking that buy side liquidity, I'm gonna take a re-entry over there, and my target will be until here. All I need to see 3 candle come either to this fair gap or the last fair gap, any of this fair gap before taking the buy side liquidity. If it come here, I'm gonna take my entry over there. My stop loss is going to be here. If it can come to this fair gap within three candle before taking that buy side liquidity. If it take that buy side liquidity, I'm not interested to okay, it has taken that buy side, so I'm not interested to take that buy anymore. I'll just let it go. I'll just let it go. This MSS swing high at 1 minute. Okay, yeah, that was swing high, but it has to reach over here before taking that buy side liquidity. As it has taken, it can reach to that 1 minute last parallel gap, and then it can go for that sell liquidity. Though I don't want to see that. I want to see that market will come here. If you go to your 15-minute chart, from 15-minute chart, can you see any sell liquidity here? From your 15-minute chart, can you see any kind of sell liquidity? I don't see. The market should not go come here from 15-minute chart. It should not go over there. Just 1, 2, within 3 candle. If it come here, still I'll take another entry, and my stop loss will be for 8 handle. No, it's not going to get let me any chance to take entry. I'm unlucky this time. It's leaving me without taking. So yeah, I'm unlucky. So it actually I took a premature entry. I should have waited to break that one. Then I would be able to take catch that one actually. It came to this last parabolic from 1 minute chart. There will be a reaction. Maybe that reaction can send until that parabolic. That can happen as well. So let's see. Just one tick, man. just just one handle. Left one handle. No, it's not going to take me. It's leaving me without. It's leaving without me. Yeah. Yep. So it's leaving without me. Because I'm not interested to push my button after this candle. After this candle, I'm not interested to push my button from that favorable gap as well. If it could tap over there, I would take my buy from there. As it didn't give me the chance. One, two, three. Within 3 candle, it didn't let me to take the entry. So I am not interested to take more entry after the next candle. Even if it come here and it's going to take that buy side liquidity, I'm happy. This reaction should send the price until that entry favorable gap. It didn't came here. That means market story is telling me anything, something else. It's telling me I can go further lower, brother. So don't take me, okay? That's why I didn't give you any chance to take the entry. Take trade in lunch. No, taking trade in lunch is not valid. You can take your entry until the lunch hour, but after lunch hour, no entry is valid. You can hold your trade around the lunch hour. You can hold it. The best is to close your trade around 12:15. That's the best thing, best option. Okay, so far I can see there was the market structure shift, valid market structure shift over here. Until now, that is the only valid market structure shift, but price didn't give me any opportunity to take the entry. I'm gonna sacrifice this entry and I will just let it go. And around PM session, I will try to catch another entry. Why this is not sell side liquidity for me? Because I always love to see the liquidity from 15-minute chart. So from 15-minute chart, you can see this is your buy side liquidity, this is your buy side liquidity. So market should go toward that buy side liquidity. It should not fall. As it came to that 15-minute favorable gap, their entry was valid. What I missed actually, I forced the market to give me the entry over there. That should not, I should not mark that one. Why I should not mark that one as my market structure shift? Because that's not a swing high. See, one, two, three, four candles sideways. This is 4 candle which is sideways. That is why this is not valid for shifting market structure. That's why I told if market can go above that high, then I will get my market structure shift. If it can go above that high, because this is a swing high. This is the sideways, not a swing. That's just a high, not a swing high. Here, this is a swing high which is valid. There, this one. Market went higher, make the high went lower. A swing, a curve. That is why this high is valid for shifting market structure. After shifting the market structure, there was two parallel gap. I tried to take entry. If it could tap over there, I'm already in the market. I was in the market. When it takes more time to come here, I'm not interested to take entry to that entry parallel gap, not anymore. But it's because of the session. I mean, maybe because of the macro it can spend more time over here, then it can expand higher. I don't care, but as I don't get the immediate reaction, I'm not interested to take that entry anymore. Simple. Take trade in lunch, sorry, after lunch, my bad. Okay, no problem. But yeah, this is what it is. As I told, I'm not interested to take sell, because even if market would love to go lower, I will wait for the setup. When I got that, I would love to take that on. Market didn't give me the chance. I'm not gonna take the entry. I was praying to hit that over there. You saw my croucher was over here. If it could tap over there, I could push my button. It didn't tap, I didn't push my button. I'll just wait. I will see around lunch hour what it has done. If it went lower around the lunch hour, that's the best option, because here market is telling me another story. It's telling me, brother, if I wanted to go higher, why I didn't give you the opportunity to take entry? Why I didn't tap to that parallel gap? That's why I'm not interested to push my button. Otherwise, I would have pushed my button. Okay, so it has two possibilities now. It can go lower, it can go higher. Overall, this bicycle, remember this level 18577.75, again 18577.75. It's gonna be tagged and bagged. This level, this sell side liquidity is not obvious liquidity, because this is from 1 minute chart, and market should not go toward the 1 minute liquidity. It always should go toward the 15-minute liquidity. 18606, that's the liquidity. Market should go toward that liquidity. Now market is going to take that liquidity or not, it's a different matter. This liquidity has to be taken. Simply, I will wait here until 12, so I will see how it react actually. This is the last travel gap from 1 minute chart. That was just a reaction. I wanted to see that reaction will send the price to that fair value gap. If it could tap to that fair value gap, I was already in this trade. Just it missed me for one handle. Just missed me for one handle. Now market has to break this last fair value gap from 1 minute chart, because reaction happened already over here. It should close above that high first. First, it has to close above that high. When it will close above that high, and if it can make a fair value gap around that area, that will be traded again. The order block, both of this level is the order block. This is the confirmation of going higher. When this candle close above that high, this is the confirmation. I'm going higher toward that buy sell liquidity. All I have just done, I have missed that entry for one handle. That's all, brother. I'm not. uh, you did not mark your new week opening gap yet. Tamimi, are you with me in my Twitter? If you are with me in my Twitter, I have already tweeted that. I have already tweeted that. If you wanna mark new week opening gap, yes, you can. I'm not interested at all. That was the new week opening gap. I'm not interested at all. Should I hold to all time high? Did you take that entry? Ghost in the machine. Did you take that entry, brother? What happened all day higher like this? No, today is not going to hit the all time high, brother. Why not interested? Lol, because it's small or hot. Yeah, it's less than 10 handle. So if it is less than 10 handle, I'm not interested at all. Dun, 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 dun. Oh man, just stop me. Two loss in a row. The school. Yeah, I'm not interested because I just missed it. I'll just let it go. I will just let it go. Even if it went lower and hit everything, I'm not gonna push my button again. Had some profit, but just let it go. Over that one. Trading is a very tough and makes sometimes mental fuck. It's going to work, brother. But yeah, the thing is, I just put my I didn't able to put my stop loss before putting my stop loss. It just stopped me out. So yeah, before just pushing my stop loss, it stopped me out. What can I do? But it's okay. Before even seeing the price, it stopped me out. Just too fast. It stopped me out and then stop go out, go above. You wanna see the big run? Way big run is coming. Huge run is coming. If it can make a fair value gap, I'm not sure it's going to make the fair value gap or not. But if it can make a fair value gap here, let me check first. It closed. If body can close above that high, there will be a fair value gap that will be unfilled. If body can close above that high, just need to break this fair value gap. This is the last fair value gap from 1 minute chart. The most obvious fair value gap from 1 minute chart. Here, this one. Just want to see this fair value gap is broken. If body can close above that high, there will be a fair value gap that will be unfilled. That fair value gap won't be filled. I think we will catch 8 p.m. session. I don't think so. It's going toward that buy side liquidity. All I need just this fair value gap is broken. Yeah, but it's okay. I'm not gonna take any more entry over here. here 44, 36. That means 9 handle because I have only 12 handle left. Profit 12 handle. I'm happy with that 12 handle from Monday. I had no intention to take entry, still I took entry and I was unable to put my stop loss over here. Bad decision over here. Very bad decision. Very bad decision. This one was logical, but I put my stop loss in illogical space. I should have covered this fair value gap. Should have covered that one. But yeah, it is what it is. When I'm so greedy, I get some kind of losses. If market can close above that high, you will see within 3 to 4 candles, market is going to take that buy sell liquidity. Within maximum 3 to 4 handles, market will take that buy sell liquidity. The first candle with this type of candle, if I get this type of candle which will close above that high, within 3 to 4 candle, market will take that buy sell liquidity. I'm seeing this all the reaction from the last fair value gap. This last fair value gap reaction. Whoever is thinking that market is going to fall, if you want to take a sell and if you have any kind of, I mean, entry setup, or if you did see anything that could tell you that market is going to fall, please go for that. Okay, don't believe in my analysis. I am expecting higher run, that doesn't mean market will go higher. Okay, that doesn't mean that. If you are looking for sell, please go for that. Don't waste your time by depending on my analysis. I'm not interested to take sell, so I'm not gonna look for the sell entry. I'm only interested to take buy entry until this buy sell liquidity is not taken. After taking that buy sell liquidity, I will think about that. But until then, I'm not willing to take any kind of sell. Clean sloppy sign. Every candle has a wick, longer wick. This is the sign of the sloppiness. Okay. Market has taken the liquidity, obvious liquidity. This is broken. Everything is done. Let's see. This is the 12th candle. So the last candle of the morning session. I'll just wait until this candle will close. Yeah, PM now. Lunch hour. Yeah, I was just thinking if market can close above that high, I would take another entry depending on that order block. Even if it is inside the lunch hour, I would do that. But yeah, it has already passed longer time. It should not happen like that way. So the break entry fair value gap is broken. It is at the last fair value gap, and yeah. So let the last, I mean, the M session go away, and we will see at the PM session if there is any opportunity or not, because it's broken, and let it go wherever it wants to go. If it wants to go lower, perfect. I'm not interested anymore of that setup. Nothing is here from the 50-minute chart. It's very sloppy. Let me close it. Remove this. This is the candles from 50-minute chart. Perfect sloppiness. So yeah, when it is slopping, I'll just let it go. If I missed that entry, I'll be happy. But I should not do anything over here. I should not do. No, mute brother, there was nothing actually. I will wait until the PM session, and after at the around the PM session, maybe we will see if there is any other opportunity or not. But as the way I told you, when market is going lower, I'm not interested to take any kind of sell. Every single time market is going lower, I will see this as a liquidity taken. When I will get the market structure shift, something like this type of perfect market structure shift, immediate reaction, I will go for that. If I don't go get it, I'm not interested at all. So over here, if you see until here, until around the AM session, you have no entry. Around the AM session until now, there was no entry, nothing at all, no entry, no perfect market structure shift, no fair value gap immediate reaction. Now here this breaker block entry, that's different. I mean, I don't want to show you this. I want you to take the market structure shift fair value gap entry. I want you to take that. This one is whoever actually took that entry. If you really understand what is breaker block, perfect. If you don't understand, then don't take the breaker block entry. Instead of that, go for that market structure shift fair value gap immediate reaction, something over here. That immediate reaction didn't happen. That means market wanted to tell me that no brother, I have a lot of job here, let it be done first. I tried to take that order block entry to catch that high. It didn't work. So yeah, it didn't work like that, and then it just falling and falling. SM, no, I am not looking for SM, nothing. Just I need to avoid the launch hour. After avoiding the launch hour, if it come back again to this 50-minute fair value gap, I'll frame my trade again, or I will wait for hourly chart. I will go to hourly chart, and from hourly chart you see this hourly fair value gap here. Let me mark the hourly fair value gap. If price can came back again into this hourly fair value, why hourly fair value gap? Because from 15-minute chart it's sloppy, very sloppy over here. Come to 50 minutes, see this sloppy price action. I'm not interested to do anything around that sloppy price action. If market can come back at least to that hourly fair value gap, I will frame my buy again. If market fail to come here and reverse, I'm not interested to do anything. So yeah, I will wait until price reach here to that hourly fair value gap, or if it is extremely jealous, then to this 50-minute fair value gap, finally this 1 minute last fair value gap, any of this level. When price will reach here, I will look for buy again. Until then, cheers. Okay, it was a nice stream. Hope we catch you on PM session. RK16, I'm not sure yet, but yeah, if everything is cool, then I'll come, because I am gonna mitigate my loss around lunch hour. So lunch hour, I'm gonna take some entry. So if everything is okay, then I'll be around PM session. Okay. So until then, cheers. What if some recent PDRA from forms clearing order flow in 15? What I told you here, I am not interested to do anything else except this. If market keep falling, keep falling, keep falling, keep falling, I don't care. I'm not interested to take sell. All I am interested to take buy here, to this to buy sell. Until taking at least this buy sell liquidity, I'm not interested to take sell. If I'm interested to take buy, market has to reach either this hourly fair value gap, or I mean at least it has to reach that fair value gap, because you can see inside this fair value gap I have this 15-minute fair value gap as well. So it has to reach at least to that hourly fair value gap, then I will look for buy setup. Otherwise, I'm not interested. Okay, so that's all. I mean, and in PM, no, I just clearly tell you what I'm expecting. Okay, that's all I'm expecting, nothing else. And the PM session, if market reverse from here, I'm not interested to take that entry. If market reverse from here, because that will be a random reversal. Until here, it was perfect because market was actually making the fair value gap for the hourly chart. Now, when market has made the hourly fair value gap, it has to reach to that hourly fair value gap before even going higher. Let me check this guy actually a little. Yeah. So remember, this guy is going here to that hourly fair value gap. First, it will reach to that hourly fair value gap. At the same time, this will reach here somewhere. Okay. After that, both of them will go in together. It will tap there, then it will fall. It will come here anywhere, then it will go up. Simple thing, brother. Just simply that. That's my plan. Again, the way I told you, you will always look for market structure shift, immediate reaction. If you get that, go for that entry. If you don't get it, don't take any trade. Just don't take any trade. Okay. Thanks guys for joining here, and thanks to all for subscribing to my channel. I can see 4621 people. Thanks to all. Okay. So see you either in PM session or tomorrow at London session. I will tweet to my Twitter if I come to my to the London session. I'm sorry, to the PM session. Okay. Here is my Twitter ID at the rate of NRT12345. If you are interested, you can follow me over there. If I come live, I'll post the link over there. So yeah, thank you guys. See you tomorrow. See you to the PM session. Until then, cheers. Bye bye.